Welcome to iWire Systems. In this video, we will show you how to set up your Human Exercise Kit using the TA-ROM recorder and the iWire DAS analyzer. To begin, plug the power cord into the gas analyzer. This is located on the back of the recorder to the left below the power switch. The opposite end will be plugged into an electrical outlet. Next, plug the power cord into the TA-ROM recorder. This is located on the back of the recorder to the right of the power switch. Plug the red USB cord into the back of the TA-ROM. Plug in the opposite end to your computer's USB port. Using the iWire to iWire adapter cable, plug one end into the iWire 1 port on the TA-ROM and the opposite end into the iWire to recorder port on the gas analyzer. Take two of the replaceable filters and screw one into the sample in port on the gas analyzer. The second filter can be screwed on to the room air port. The filters should be snug, but not over-tightened. Power on the gas analyzer first, then power on the TA-ROM. This will allow the gas analyzer to be recognized by the TA-ROM and start the warm-up period. Next, you will connect the mixing chamber to the gas analyzer. Unscrew the white cap on the port labeled to gas analyzer. Take the non-braided end of the Nafion tubing and attach it to the same port on the mixing chamber. Take the braided end and connect it to the sample in filter on the gas analyzer. On the opposite end of the mixing chamber, connect one end of the Tygon tubing to the from gas analyzer port on the mixing chamber. Connect the other end to the outlet port on the gas analyzer. The black outlet port is located on the left corner of the gas analyzer. Connect the white side of the 1,000-liter flow head into the labeled port on the to gas analyzer side of the mixing chamber. Make sure the red and white tubing ports are facing upward. The red tubing port on the flow head should face away from the mixing chamber. Connect the silicone tubing so that the ribbed tubing fits over the red tubing port on the flow head and the non-ribbed tubing on the white port. Carefully tighten the connector ends of the silicone tubing into the respective red and white A1 ports on the TA-ROM.